Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm filming. I never plan what I'm gonna name these videos. Excuse the hair, I'm in the middle of dyeing it. Well, I bleached the wig. This is also my first time making this wig. I was gonna do a video about the whole process and that being my first time, but you didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, so basically just excuse the hair because it's not gonna be this color. I'm gonna dye it. So I've bleached it and then I'm gonna dye it today. But I just wanted to film this video. But basically I'm gonna do like a natural makeup look. This is kind of my everyday makeup look, but at the same time I don't wear makeup every day. So this is like my go-to everyday makeup look, if that makes sense. So the two foundations I'm using, Black Opal and L'Oreal True Match. I literally have like loads of these because they don't sell them anymore. So I bought like loads online. The monitor has gone so loud now. How come the monitor has got so loud?
Monitor?
Yeah, it's like
PlayStation.
Oh. Yeah, so these are the foundations that I'm gonna use. I used to use MAC, but it was never my shade. I just kind of switched to these. They work well for me. So whenever I'm going for a natural makeup look, I never cover, well actually even when I'm not going for a natural makeup look, I don't really put foundation over my whole face anymore. So I just put it, oh my face is so dry today. I look kind of oily on camera, but it's also quite dry in some areas. I'm just going to put the foundation below my eyes and get the other colour because this one's a bit darker. I'm just gonna mix that in there. My face is kind of dry, so I'm gonna go in and put some E45 to mix with the foundation, just a tiny bit. Just because I don't want it to be patchy. So I'm just gonna blend all of that together. Also, because I've got eyelash extensions, it kind of already looks like I'm wearing makeup, so that's not really making it look very natural, but it means I get to do less when getting ready. It's a lot easier for me. Okay, so if you wanted, you could just leave that like this and just do that foundation. That actually in itself, I look like I'm wearing like a full face anyway. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Iconic London, hair out the way. I'm gonna take the Iconic London and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes just to brighten them a little bit, just a tiny bit. And I'm also gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution C12 just to brighten my under eye. But yeah, only a tiny bit. But with that same brush, I'm gonna go over my eyebrows while I've still got a little bit of foundation left over and just pat over it. I feel like it looks more natural and it looks better. So now I'm gonna blend the concealer underneath my eyes. Oh my days. I feel like the more coverage you want, the more you can apply. But because I'm kind of going for like a natural everyday, put a lot less than I normally would. It literally seems like I'm obsessed with this E45, but the lower half of my face is quite dry where the foundation is in place. So I'm just gonna put some E45 here. Just blend that. Ain't nobody want a dry face. Oh my days, my chains. How many chains do I have? Now my favorite part, it's called the 39A Dare to Create. I literally use this palette for everything. So I'm gonna use, for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use a mixture of expression and deep hue. I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush. Before I start my eyebrows, I'm going to put some baking powder underneath my eyes just to brighten it up. Also, another step that you could do, is up to you, is before putting any foundation on or anything, place the Iconic London drops on your cheekbone, on your nose, above your lip, just to give yourself an extra glow highlight, but it's more natural when you place it underneath the foundation. So now we're gonna go back and do my eyebrows. Just gonna brush them out. So I'm just following the natural shape of my brow, filling in mainly this area of my brow. I usually would make it a lot thicker, but because we're going for a natural look, I'm going to use more foundation and less eyeshadow. Sometimes as well, if I want to, I'll go over my brow with the Collection brow kit, just because colour's a lot more closer to my natural brow colour, but with the eyeshadow, this colour is closer to the colour of my wig that I've got now. So before we line the brows, I'm just going to go back with my sponge and pat out the setting powder, dabbing gently. Going in with this brush just to make sure everything is smooth. Right now, it looks really bright underneath my eyes, but when I put the setting spray and everything else, it's not gonna be this bright. Actually so quick and easy. I'm like nearly done. So then I'm gonna take the lid of the Black Opal foundation and my eyebrow brush. And I'm just gonna dip that in and then use this foundation to line my brow. If I'm doing like a glam look, I'll use the Makeup Revolution concealer, which is lighter, so that just defines it more. What I'll then do is get a pinch of the baking powder onto this brush and just go over my brow and just mattifies area, especially because I don't have foundation here. Just gonna use a tiny bit of the setting powder just to mattify this area. So now, because I've got eyelash extensions, I'm gonna brush out my extensions, but if you don't, you can either put false lashes on or you can put mascara, depending on what kind of look you were going for. I normally just brush them down and then curl them. Ooh, these are thick. Go in with this brush and just brush the area in between where I put foundation and where my skin is. If you wanted, you could put blush. If you wanted to, you could leave it here and be finished with the look. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with brown eyeshadow just to place underneath my eyes. So it's just not too bright underneath my eyes. And I feel like this makes the makeup look a lot more natural as well, because who has bright under eyes naturally? I mean, if you do, tell me your secret. So that is the final look. I'm just gonna go in with setting spray. This has a dewy finish as well, so it's gonna make it look a lot more like skin. This is my boyfriend's favorite part of me getting ready. Ooh. So guys, this is a finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, this has been really quick to film. I really like this look. I feel like I love glam, but I also like sleep, and I feel like I like this makeup look because it means I don't have to wake up 2 hours earlier just to do my makeup, and it's just really simple. It's good for work, good for every day. Yep, hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.